How to fix Windows security shows unknown status in Windows. 1. Repair and re-register Windows Defender. To do so, run get apps package for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location \appexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 2. Reset Windows security via settings. 3. Delete Windows Defender registry key to reset policies. Delete the Windows Defender folder at computer /h key _local _machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows Defender in registry editor. 4. Refresh Windows Security Service. 5. Disconnect your system from any active work or school account. 6. Disable third-party antivirus software. 7. Uninstall recently installed Windows Update.